Dear viewers, today the world observes International Minorities' Rights Day, December 18th, a day to remember that peace is incomplete without justice and justice is impossible without equality. Minorities are not outsiders, they are the conscience of humanity, the keepers of culture, of language, faith, and hope. When minorities are protected, nation becomes stronger. True world peace is not silence of weapons, but harmony of hearts. True world peace is not silence of weapons, but harmony of hearts. It is built when every community feels safe, respected, and heard, regardless of faith, ethnicity, language, or culture. Let us stand together against hatred, discrimination, and exclusion. Let us replace fear with understanding, prejudice with dialogue, and oppression with dignity. Let us stand together against hatred, discrimination, and exclusion. Let us replace fear with understanding, prejudice with dialogue, and oppression with dignity. Human rights are not a favor, they are a birthright. Human rights are not a favor, they are a birthright. Minority rights are human rights, and protecting them protects the future of us all. On this International Minorities' Rights Day, let us renew our commitment to peace over power, justice over injustice, humanity over hatred. Peace over power, justice over injustice, humanity over hatred. A core message from Dr. R. Abdul Hamid, retired KS officer, former member Karnataka State Minorities Commission, both in English and Urdu. Minorities are not strangers. They are equal partners in the destiny of nations. अक़लियतें अजनबी नहीं होती, वो कौमों की तकदीर में बराबर की शरीक होती हैं. True peace is not just the absence of war, but the presence of dignity, equality and respect for all. हकीकी अमन सिर्फ जंग के खात्मे का नाम नहीं, बल्कि इज़्ज़त, मसावत और बाहमी एहतराम की मौजूदगी का नाम है. Remember, when minority rights are protected, societies flourish. When they are denied, humanity suffers. याद रखें, जब अक़लियतों के हुकूक़ महफूज होते हैं तो माशरे तरक्की करते हैं, और जब यह हुकूक़ पामाल होते हैं तो पूरी इंसानियत मुतासिर होती है. Human rights are not a gift from power. They are a birthright of every human being. इंसानी हुकूक़ किसी ताकत का अतिया नहीं, बल्कि हर इंसान का पैदाइशी हक़ है. A global call, आलमी अपील. Let us reject hatred and discrimination. Let us choose dialogue over division and peace over prejudice. आइए नफ़रत और इम्तियाज़ को मुस्तरद करें, तक़सीम के बजाय मुकालिमा और तासुब के बजाय अमन को अपनाएं. On this International Minorities' Rights Day, let us stand united for peace, justice and human dignity. यौम आलमी हुकूक़ अक़लियत के मौके पर आइए अमन, इंसाफ और इंसानी विक़ार के लिए मुत्तहिद हो जाएं. Thanks for watching. This is Dr. R. Abdul Hamid, former member Karnataka State Minorities Commission. From Bengaluru, Karnataka, I express my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to the Chairman, Karnataka State Minorities Commission and all the members secretary and all the staff for having convened successfully the Minorities Rights Day in a grandeur way at Devraj Aras Bhavan, Millers Road, Vasant Nagar. Members from all minority communities, Muslims, Christians, Sikh, Jain, Parsi and Buddhist, along with their religious heads, attended the program in a large number. The program was presided over by Janab Rizwan Arshad, Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, Shivajinagar constituency. The keynote address was very impressive by Justice B.S. Patil, Honorable Lokayukta, Karnataka Lokayukta. Program is started with Nadagite and a vote on Constitution. All religious heads from Muslim community, Christian community, Parsi community, Jain community, Sikh community and Buddhist community prayed. All were in praise of the Almighty God. And whoever had an opportunity to speak on the occasion appealed for the unity in diversity and a call for universal brotherhood. The special attraction of the program was the felicitation to the achievers for their excellence in their respective field and dedicated service to the humanity. I would like to mention names of the achievers for my viewers. Janab L.K. Atik, IAS retired, Chairman, Bengaluru Business Corridor, Peripheral Ring Road Authority, Government of Karnataka. Mrs. Huda Mansoor, youngest pilot of Karnataka. Shri Sardar Manmeet Singh Granthi, founder, Karam Foundation, Bidar. Shri Jude Flex Sebastian, former captain, Indian National Hockey Team, Olympic 1992. Sangeet Vidwan Pandit Hussain Saab Nadaf, awardee Kalashri 2017 from Karnataka Sangeet Nritya Academy. Miss Padma Shri N, founder and CEO of Design Bay. Shri Ken Ripoch Geshen Nawang Sange about Gidmet Tantrik University, Mysore. Srimati Aisha Banu, Suraksha Seva Samsthe Karkala. Shri Sherayar D. Vakil, Advocate Vice President, Parsi Anjuman, Bengaluru. Brief video of the achievers for their dedicated service and excellence were shown to the audience. The video of Srimati Aisha Banu, Suraksha Sevashrama Karkala was so heart-touching that she got a standing ovation from all the audience and appreciation from all, a role model for humanitarian service, irrespective of caste, creed. The gist of the program was to remove hatred from our hearts and promote love and affection and brotherhood. Religion teaches hatred among human beings. मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना. Each and every religion promotes love and affection among human beings. मोहब्बत मुब्तदा मेरा, मोहब्बत मुंतहा मेरा, हकीकत में मोहब्बत ही मोहब्बत है खुदा मेरा. Let us reject hatred and discrimination. Let us choose dialogue over division and peace over prejudice. आइए नफरत और इम्तियाज़ को मुस्तरद करें, तकसीम के बजाय मुकालिमा और तासुब के बजाय अमन को अपना लें. On this International Minorities Rights Day, let us stand united for peace, justice and human dignity. यौम आलमी हुकूक अक़लियत के मौके पर आइए अमन, इंसाफ और इंसानी विखार के लिए मुत्तहिद हो जाएं. In conclusion, I heartily thank the Karnataka State Government, our beloved Chief Minister Shri Siddaramaiah ji and Shri D.K. Shiv Kumar ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and Janab B.Z. Zamir Ahmad Khan, Honorable Minister for Housing Welfare, Minority Welfare and Waqf, especially to Shri U. Nisar Ahmad, IPS retired Chairman, Karnataka State Minorities Commission, Dr. Mazuddin Khan, Secretary, Karnataka State Minorities Commission, and Dr. Shamla Iqbal, IAS, Secretary to Government Minority Welfare, Hajj and Waqf Department, for successfully convening the Minority Rights Day in Karnataka. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Dear viewers, it is Dr. R. Abdul Hamid, former member Karnataka State Minorities Commission, former member Karnataka Urdu Academy, and Chairman Azm Academy now, a folklore and cultural academy. Thanks for watching and request you to share among your friends from minority communities, especially Muslims, Christians, Jains, Sikh, Parsis and Buddhists. Thank you. Thank you all.